Hello, my name is Leticia Sanchez and I'll be facilitating my workshop called The Most Impactful 21 Seconds of Your Life. Research shows that humans are quick to make a snap decision when meeting someone for the very first time. It takes 7 seconds for people to meet us through our eyes and read our body language. Another 7 seconds for people to scan our appearance before we even speak. They will take the next 7 seconds to hear us speak. And in just 21 seconds, bam! People decide if they want to like us, do business with us, are attracted to us, and so on. In this workshop, you are going to get tips on how to make the most stunning first impression when meeting someone for the very first time. Or I should say, when they meet the best version of you. Join me at the District 60 Toastmasters Conference on Saturday, May 11. I'll see you there.